Have you ever stopped to think about how short our lives really are? In the grand scheme of things, our time on this earth is but a fleeting moment. Today, we'll reflect on the brevity of life and explore how to live our best days with purpose and joy. Life is incredibly short. We often hear this, but do we truly grasp its meaning? From the moment we are born, the clock starts ticking. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. Before we know it, decades have passed. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind, to let time slip through our fingers without a second thought. But when we take a moment to reflect, we realize that every day is a gift, an opportunity to make memories and impact those around us. Living our best days means living with purpose. It's about finding what truly matters to us and dedicating our time and energy to those things. Whether it's nurturing relationships, pursuing passions, or giving back to the community, purposeful living brings fulfillment. To live our best days, we must embrace joy and practice gratitude. It's the simple pleasures that often bring the most happiness. A walk in nature, a heartfelt conversation, a good book. By being grateful for these moments, we enrich our lives. Regrets and fears can hold us back. But remember, life is too short to dwell on the past or fear the future. Let go of regrets, face your fears, and move forward with courage. Each day is a chance to start anew. Throughout history, countless individuals have shown us what it means to live fully. Their stories inspire us to seize the day and live with passion and determination. We can draw strength from their examples and apply those lessons to our own lives. So, how short is your life? The truth is, it's as short as a breath, a blink of an eye. But within that brevity lies infinite potential. Make the most of your days, cherish each moment, and live a life that you'll look back on with pride and joy. If you found this video inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below on how you plan to live your best days. Remember, life is short, but it's up to us to make it meaningful. Thank you for watching.